स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। यथाग्नेर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता ह्य सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Namaste to each one of you, the devotees and followers of Sri Ramakrishna, Ma Sharada and Swami Vivekananda, who are spread out all over the country and the world. This is a very painful times that we are passing through. The pandemic since the last 1.5 years nearly, which has taken a toll over our daily life and our relationships, our families, our personal health, etc., etc. So at this time of the pandemic situation and the second wave sweeping all over the country, it is time that the devotees have to take charge of their personal life and their spiritual life as well. Do not be perturbed, do not be panicked by the situation happening. It was all there in the world going on since the last 2 centuries, the different kinds of flus, different kinds of pandemics, the wars, and the so many things in the world which need not be mentioned. They're all available in the form of news and in history. So as devotees of Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother, Sri Sharada Devi, and the heroic monk, Swami Vivekananda, we should be very, very strong. We should be very, very focused. We should be very, very disciplined and devoted in our daily life. Not only helping ourselves, but helping the entire society also. Atmano mokshartam jagatitaya cha, as Swami Vivekananda has given us the motto. So a simple meditation, simple prayer, which all of you will be doing, the japa, the dhyana, the prarthanas. I would like to just share with you that very famous Manasa Puja and the Dhyana of Sri Ramakrishna, which will be a shock absorber, I am sure, for every one of you, each one of you, your family, your relatives, friends and others. That is composed by Swami Abhedanandaji himself, which I am sure all of you are aware of it. As a message to all of you, I am sharing this wonderful dhyana of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna. Hridaya Kamala Madhye Rajitam Nirvikalpam Sadasada Kila Bheda Atitam Ekaswarupam Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam Nityamanandamurtim Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. We meditate on Ramakrishna, who is without any stain, who is the great swan. We meditate in our heart, Hridaya Kamala Madhye. So instead of talking and discussing or getting worried, invite Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna into our hearts. Hridaya Kamala, the beautiful imagery of a lotus which is in the center of our chest. Invite Sri Ramakrishna there. Hridaya Kamala Madhye Rajitam Nirvikalpam. The blessed Lord, the compassionate Lord, is seated on that beautiful lotus. Sat Asat Akhila Veda. He is beyond truth, beyond falsehood, and he is of the form of oneness. Atitam Ekaswarupam. Whole world is Sri Ramakrishna. All our families are Sri Ramakrishna. And he has become the family and he has entered into our hearts. Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam. This Sri Ramakrishna is without any external modifications of Prakriti, born out of Prakriti, all the diseases, everything. And he is so joyful, so full of Anandam. Nityamanandamurti, that form of Sri Ramakrishna, that smile of Sri Ramakrishna, if we can visualize, if we can meditate upon, I think the suffering would reduce, the pain would reduce, and even though X, Y, Z, anybody is affected in your family, I think you will be giving them that smile, giving them that peace and say, yes, we shall overcome. We shall face this pandemic. Nirupamamati sukshmam, nishprapancham niriham, gagana sadrishamisham sarva bhutadivasam, triguna rahita satchet brahmarupam varenyam, vimala paramahamsam ramakrishnam bhajamaha. Triguna rahita, triguna, sattva, rajas, tamas. Ramakrishna, Bhagavan Ramakrishna is above all the three gunas. And Gagana Sadrishamisham, he is all pervading like the sky. So this meditation of Sri Ramakrishna, one more shloka, Vitaritum avatirnam gnana bhakti prashanti, pranaya galita chittam jiva dukkha sahishnum, drita sahaja samadhim chinmayam komalangam, vimala paramahamsam ramakrishnam bhajamaha. Vitaritum avatirnam gnana bhakti prashanti. See the beautiful words there. Gnana bhakti prashantata. He is blessing us. And he cannot bear the suffering. Jiva dukkha sahishnum. So he is so compassionate. He is of that soft nature. Dhritas, and very quickly he can enter into samadhi. Dhrita sahaja samadhim. Chinmayam komalangam. Komalanga is so soft, so butter-like, so flower-like his personality. So we will meditate on Sri Ramakrishna. We shall meditate on Sri Ramakrishna. And of course, the great shock absorber in our life is Holy Mother Sharada Devi. And let us bow down again and again to the Mother and be at peace. Give strength to the people. Give strength to your family members. Do not succumb to the pressures and the depressions which this COVID pandemic is creating havoc in our mind and in our life. I wish and pray, do japa, do the dhana and prarthana, and spread this fragrance of spiritual strength to the entire society. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.